says he thinks he found a snake.
Dude, there was 2 of them.
2 snakes? Yeah, I got him. Get a nice zoom-in picture of his eyes. He's gonna bite me. Welcome to day number 2 of our kayak adventure. Today we're at the point in the river where we stopped last time. So this is our new starting point. I think it's gonna be much easier, faster, and all around better than last time. So a lot less portages, a lot less down trees that we can't get around. Like I said, we're aiming for about 20 miles that way, which is gonna get us really close to the Wisconsin River, which is gonna be a perfect place to start for day number 3. So let's go.
So much better. I'm not
That is so much better. You remember last time, the beginning last time?
Kayak isn't drenched in mud yet. That's nice.
So far, all I know is that this leg of the journey today is so much easier than the last time.
We're going sideways.
Oh no, I'm going sideways. Uh-oh, we got another bridge. No, I'm about to sink.
Damn, I'm really close. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Does it look like I'm gonna make it, Kevin?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't look like you're gonna make it. No.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Can my back? If my back seat can make it, I'm fine. I'm in as far as I can.
Just get all the way in. Yeah, crawl inside like a little cubby.
Mike, you ready? No.
Nice, bro. See if Troy tips on this one. This is not gonna end well. The river we have today has a lot of force. Man, if you go in, it's like 4 feet deep here, I think. Oh man. This one is not easy to get through this time. It's really getting wide up here now. Troy, is there a hole up there?
Where'd you go?
We have some kind of an obstacle coming up. Troy, what does it look like? Ah. What is that thing?
What's that? I think we like energy on building that.
Maybe it's so cows can drink the free water. Nah, I don't think it's electric, is it? Look at this situation. We got cows. We got this weird wire. What is this thing? I'm about to get zapped. Shit.
Uh-oh, what else is coming up?
We got a bridge coming up. This is Troy's favorite thing. Troy's the bridge master.
Too low, too low, too low!
The river's really getting wide now. We got something really complicated coming up here. Troy, how are we gonna get around that?
I don't know, we're gonna have to break through.
Michael, what are you gonna do?
Probably just close my eyes and see what happens. Is it one fence or a double, Mike? I think it's just one.
Is there a hole on the left?
Yeah. Uh-oh, covered in spiders.
Hurry, Michael, we're gonna come in. You gotta get through.
Is that the best way? Like the dog that...
Oh, he's about to tip. Oh, that's how he tipped last time. When he went sideways like that.
I went right to a spider.
What does it look like?
Oh shit, I'm not good. I did go sideways. Let's go on forward. Far left.
Can you make it through?
Ah!
Yeah, you can make it. I think right. Oh no, this isn't good.
Oh, we're gonna go down. Gotta keep mine up.
Oh, my eyes, my eyes. No, no.
Oh, it's cold as shit.
Oh, no! This is the weirdest thing. Now Troy's cold because he fell completely in that time. Troy, is that your little pirate island up there?
Yeah,
There's a goose on it. Go commandeer the island.
there's a goose on it.
That's not a real goose.
That's a real goose. It's on its head.
What? I want to see you run into that log though. We got another complicated area right here.
Oh God.
Michael, are we gonna make it through? Barely made it. It's really starting to open up here. Troy's got a bridge, don't fall out.
It's a double.
Oh. Oh yeah. Troy, do you have a preference? Train bridges or road bridges?
Train bridges.
Train bridges. I just found this epic island we can take a rest on.
I think we all should be good to fit on it.
Michael, get over here. This is a perfect spot for a picnic. Gotta get out the snacks. This is my favorite part of it. Michael, you want a snack?
Hey, toss it over. Is it filming?
I think we made it like 10 miles so far. We're deep in frog territory now though. So I think we gotta get out of here.
What? Do we have to portage again?
I don't have anywhere to stay.
Oh my gosh!
Made it.
You splashed my boat though. We got a complicated one here.
We're not even in the clear.
Not in the clear yet. Oh! Ah. You gotta go ramming speed through the hole. Yeah, just like that. Don't tip. Oh, he's about to tip.
Oh. Oh.
What do you have to say for yourself?
We're in the clear.
We're passing a quick trip, so I'm gonna run in and grab some Gatorade. Michael, what do you want?
Give me a blue one.
Blue one. Troy, what one do you want?
Ooh, purple.
Purple. I got the cheap stuff for you. Michael, catch. It's going downriver.
Grab it. What flavor did you get?
Light blue. Michael, what flavor is yours?
I won't get to somebody.
Dark blue or light blue?
Dark blue.
Okay, mine's light blue. Is that another haunted house? You'd have to get all the way inside your kayak, which is impossible.
Enough water to make it though.
Yeah, and it's stuck. Oh no, you guys! We're at the haunted house now.
It's not safe, dude.
Hey, maybe our next video can be sponsored by Quick Aid. Or Quick Trip, yeah. Keep plugging them. Oh no. I'm coming in hot. Some rapids coming up. We also got a goose at the rapids. So that means Troy has to face two things, two threats at the same time.
Let's speed, baby.
Yeah, that tree is beautiful. We're really jammed up now. Oh! You barely saved that one. It's very slowly getting darker out here. We still got a ways to go.
You hear that?
Yeah, what is that?
It's
waterfall.
Waterfall? Which way do you think I won't get stuck on? Rapids on the left or smooth on the right? Michael is going to be the test dummy. Oh, I'm going right. You'll never believe what we just found on the side of the river. Oh, baby.
I don't think it's safe to pick up my side.
It almost snapped. Oh, don't hit the tree. Holy crap, that thing barely supports your weight. Troy, how do you like this bridge?
This bridge is the best one yet.
Whoa! Oh, Troy's gonna love these. It's kind of cool over here. Only 400 feet left of the trip, Troy. Kayaks and canoes. I pulled mine up the freaking cliff over there. I didn't know there was a landing. Day 2 is over. We made it about 20-25 miles today. Made really good progress. Only a couple more miles till the Wisconsin River. So day 3, we're gonna hit that right away. And then it's gonna get real exciting. Day 2 is a blast. Troy got completely dunked up to his eyeballs.
I lost my shirt.
His shirt is a little bit wet. Did you fall today?
Not a single fall.
No falls today. Mississippi, here we come. I'll see you at day 3.